One of the things that I have gotten pretty attuned to over so many years of competing and just lifestyle fitness is knowing when my body is starting to really fatigue in a workout and things start to fall apart. One of the best things that can happen is if that point where you start to fall apart goes further and further down the road. That means you're either getting more fit or you're just taking better care of yourself and getting everything you need to repair, regenerate, and replenish when you're done with your workouts. Something that I found that I've been using is Restore from Tennant Products. It's a whey protein with a bunch of other things in it that your body needs when you are working out. I take a scoop of that before I surf, before I get on my stationary bike, before I do a strength training workout, and the difference is dramatic. Like I can just feel that point where normally my muscles would start to fatigue, but I can keep calling on them and calling on them and calling on them, and they keep responding and responding and responding. And with that comes greater fitness, with that comes greater recovery also because of the protein that's in here. It really just helps to get everything in my body to repair and regenerate and replenish when I'm done. So check it out, Restore from Tennant Products.